looking for some comfortable jeans?
Are you on your way? Are you coming soon to me?
Welcome back to another video. My name is Rachel and thank you for coming back to another video. Welcome in to all my new subscribers. Go ahead and click that subscribe button if you haven't already. Join the fam and let's go ahead and get into this video. Today we got Amazon jeans and these are from the company Levi. So I have some of the Levi signature jeans. Lee Plus Instant Slim Relax Straight Fit High Rise jeans. We also have some mid-rise straight from the Levi Strauss signature. We have some more straight in different colors, totally shaping straight, and I just got them in every color. So let's go ahead and try these on. I do have two Amazon shirts that I'm going to try it on with. Let's go ahead and open those. Okay, so this shirt is from The Drop. It looks super cute. And then we have this pink halter top shirt. Okay, let's go ahead and try on the first pair. We have on the totally shaping long jeans. And then we have on the Drop crop top. Okay, the crop top, really cute. I have it in black, so if you're looking for a crop top, yes, girl, this is for you. And I have ordered these pants before. If you've seen my shorts, you already know. I love how stretchy they are. I love how fitting they are. And my mirror is over here if you see me looking. I love how fitted these are. These jeans are super comfortable, super stretchy, and it just gives you everything. I just feel like I'm so comfortable in these jeans. And I like how long they are. What y'all think? Are y'all looking for some comfortable jeans? I did get these in a black and also a darker color. But here are the dark ones. Super comfortable, super stretchy. I love a good dark wash. And I love the highlight areas that they have on the thighs. Gives it like this cute look. Y'all, I don't know what it is about black, but these are my favorite ones so far. They feel so much more comfortable. I have so much more room. And they just flatter my body really nice. You gotta have you a good pair of black. First, this halter top, super cute. You definitely need it. I absolutely love it. It ties up in the back. We pull it up over the rows. We love it, okay? Next we have on the mid-rise Levi jeans, and not really my style. I'm either gonna stick with the regular or the high-rise jeans, but these are super cute, especially with the design. Little tiger stripe thing over the fupa and probably giving the illusion of a smaller belly. You know, we love that for us. They say they are very slimming. They have a tummy control panel. We love us a good Levi. We love a good comfortable jean. Y'all, I'm sitting here trying to get into the Plus Instant Slimming, but I can't believe they're Lee Plus. Straight, instantly slim, relaxed fit, and they're high rise. But I can't get into them. Same size as the other ones. I would want to probably go and get 2 sizes up. But yeah, anyway, we're just gonna leave that alone. Thank you for coming back to another video. We love having you here at Brown and Confident. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And please, please, please hit that like button. And I'll see you in my next video. I hope you have a good day and a good week. Bye.